glad today we have Dr. Rustam Bora sir joining us in the program of Thoughts in Education. Sir is currently serving as director for Deepshika Kala Sanstha. So let's have your introduction first, followed with some questions.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Welcome, sir. Could you please tell us about yourself, your
Well,
introduction?
as you said, my name is Dr. Rustam Bora. I am in academics since last 18 years. I served corporate, I worked with an NGOs before that, so total experience I am having around 27 years. So in this institute, I am heading management department from last 3 years. So it's an opportunity for me also and gain to a student.
Right. So let's start with the questions. First question would be, you have held a key position at Deepshika Kala Sanstha. So being a part of the management, what are the latest programs that you are offering in your institute which will help students outperform and stand apart from the crowd?
Very first thing we need to understand what is the demand of a corporate. Also we need to understand how we can develop a skill set in a student. So for that, focusing an area of knowledge component as well as the basic skills they will be requiring to enhance in a corporate world, as well as if they start their own venture they can work on it. So we are focusing on a practical aspect with our curriculum.
Okay. So being the director, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
Leadership style includes motivation as well as making a participative environment so that the culture can become such a way that we can share our problems, we can share our thoughts, we can share an ideas so that we can move on with our growth and our capabilities.
You have held a key position at Deepshika Kala Sanstha throughout your professional career. What are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
See, education sector completely depends upon learning and enhancing the skills. So my way of being in an academic is a knowledge component. Increase your knowledge, give your knowledge to students, those who need help, become a mentor, serve industry with a highly information so that we can move on with a skill set towards the corporate.
Okay. The education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in your institute?
See, with my experience, I come to know that students really want to become a person who can serve to the corporate, who can start their own ventures, who need a knowledge. So in our institute, we focus on a skill development. We are focusing on skill development through participative learning. So we are focusing this participative learning again with the certification courses. We are providing our MBA and BBA, and with those MBA and BBA courses, we are also giving them a certification courses to develop their skills. And this development of a skill set will bring them in a corporate world, will enhance their skill set. They can know how to start their own venture to become a entrepreneur in a market.
That's great, sir. So, how does the curriculum of Deepshika ensures the best practice of industry?
See, Deepshika curriculum we enhance on a regular basis, though it is a university course, but complemented with a certification courses. Besides these certification courses, we are also being connected with some corporate persons, industries. We have an MOUs with other universities. We can have a knowledge bank with us so that we can enhance their skills and enhance their participation and study more.
That's great, sir. How do you tend to establish a healthy relationship with the students and the fellow faculty?
That is the best question. I think everyone should be a connected one. A student need to connect with their faculty members. Faculties and staff and top managers need to understand the problems what a student is facing, whether he or she is getting a complete mentorship or not. So in our institute we have a sort of communication between top management, teachers, and students, so that we can share their problems. The student can share their problems. Teachers and top managers can mentor those students who really requires. Also, we provide an incubation center for their ideas to nurture and to make a realistic in a nature.
That's really good, sir. What do you see as Deepshika's greatest strength?
Well, I think faculties, staff, this is a strength of Deepshika. Also, the course curriculum, which gives an insight with an industry, also gives a participative environment for a student. This is one of the best things which I found, which I express in this institute.
Okay. So before wrapping up the interview session, I would like to ask you the last question. What valuable advice would you like to give to the students for them to have a prosperous career ahead?
Well, since so many years, I always used to give an advice. Focus on your skill set, focus on your niche, develop your skills, develop your niche, identify your interest, make those interests and niche in the management sector, and develop in a corporate world.
That's great, sir. So let's wrap up today's interview session and thank you so much for your valuable time.
Thank you so much.